I'm back!
What's going on, everybody? And today we're back with some more Terraria. I'm gonna start like a next series in this time, like maybe on during weekdays I might be actually doing some like mini series or something. But I would like to do a full blown series of this like Chugga Convoy where he plays a phone game for like until it's like finished and he doesn't open up anything else apart from up like important bits and updates. I think that's how I'm gonna be doing here. Not trying to steal Chugga Convoy's idea because he is a really good YouTuber and I really like him. Don't you dare, Connor. Connor, just don't make us live hostile, okay? Good boy. I didn't want to talk to you, idiot. Didn't want to talk to you, okay? I just didn't want to talk to you, okay? Now, I'm gonna see if we can get some iron today. Yeah, so let's try and get some iron today. Maybe in the next episode we might be able to fight a boss. So yeah, let's go and kill this fish, because why not? So yeah, so let's go to our little humble cave. I wonder, do I have no? Crap. I'm gonna is this all Terraria? From settings, video, resolution, quality, auto, skip, tripping, but why not? Oh, yeah, that's weird. Oh my gosh. Okay, I am definitely changing that because my eyes are hallucinating. Color, that's not bad. It's a bit weird, but it's not like insane. So let's go grab a wood. I'm actually learning the controls now for something. Like I can never know the controls. Is it? Yes, pickaxe. So yeah, let's mine this up. I can't even reach it. There we go. In Minecraft, you only get one chance to mine it. You never have another chance, which is I think is unfair compared to Terraria, where you literally just jump and mine, which is really nice, I guess. But I honestly think Minecraft is better than Terraria. No offense, Terraria, you're still a game. I remember playing this on Xbox like a lot. I literally completed the game on Xbox. So yeah, so let's go get our trusty pick. So yeah, so that's oh crap, I fell. I freaking fell. How dare you, Jim? How dare you accuse me of being bad at parkour? Because I am. Can you? Oh, I'm so mad. Okay, let's get this. Let's put this there. Put this there. Put this there. And just no. I am not doing this, game. You know how I feel about this? Terraria, please stop it. I can't even. What the? There we go. I think we can get out now. For goodness sake. Okay, we're out and we are slain. The meaningful crap is gonna kill me, but I'm gonna kill him first. I have no idea what I'm saying, but I'm saying it. Okay, let's go straight back to our house. I'll cut the video until it's morning. And so yeah, we're gonna try and get some iron. So yeah, I'll see you guys once it's oh my god. Once it's morning, okay, let's listen to your brain something. So I'm making YouTube and you're not trying to ask video. You got that, Dorothy? Good. It's nearly nighttime, I think. Yeah, it's nearly nighttime. I don't think we should be out at this time. I don't really know. But whatever. Okay, let's go. Okay, slimes, don't harm me. Don't hurt me. Okay, I'm just joking. I will not do that. Okay, let's get what's it called? Oh yeah, I need to kill more slime. I need to get more wood. I already got iron, and I want to see if I can make iron bars in order to make an anvil. If not, then we'll go mining for more iron. Guys, let's kill these slimes. Slimes are gonna die. Okay, let's go. Dude, I do not want you near me because you made me angry. You little snitch. Okay, let's go and craft hopefully a I cannot speak. I am freaking being hungry. Let's make a campfire, cause why not? Let's make campfire and set it there. Oh gosh. So let's make a what's it called? A furnace. Do you need more coal? No, I don't. Set there, and then we can craft some iron bars. 36. I can make 3 iron bars if I wanted to. I want to see I hold on, Connor, I need to factor actually once. Connor, can I craft an anvil? Connor. Oh wait, what's this? Shadewood chest. Sorry, I'm new to this game. I'm only joking, but ooh, that's nice. Okay, let's see if we can find the anvil. Oh, Martian chest. Oh wait. Yeah, that's expensive. I can't do this yet. Get away! Shut up. It says at the top. I found the anvil and it is expensive. We need 5. We need 5 iron to do so. So let's go ahead. You don't go. You know the drill. Don't mine it. Well, I am mining it, and I'm breaking. Seems like nothing really interesting is happening. So I think I might leave this episode here for today, guys. Maybe next week we might actually find some more iron, because that was the video plan, to get some iron and make an anvil. But doesn't seem to be the case today. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a big fat thumbs up. Make sure to comment on what you thought of the video, and I'll see you creepers in the next episode. Goodbye.